Meaning of underlying. Underlying means something that lies beneath or is the real cause or basis of something else. It often refers to a hidden reason, cause, or layer that supports what we see on the surface. Example sentences. The underlying reason for his anger was stress at work. There is an underlying message of hope in the movie. Doctors are trying to find the underlying cause of her symptoms. The underlying structure of the building is very strong. His calm voice hid an underlying fear. Short story, The Hidden Reason. Sophia smiled all day at work, but her eyes looked tired. Her coworkers thought she was just busy. One day, her friend Mia asked, "Are you okay?" Sophia finally sighed. "I'm fine, just tired." But Mia gently said, "I think there's an underlying reason." Tears welled up in Sophia's eyes. "My father's been sick, and I didn't want to worry anyone." Mia hugged her. Sometimes what we see on the surface hides something underlying, something deeper than we realize.